Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Ford Transit mirror. First, ensure your vehicle is parked securely with the ignition off. Safety is paramount, so gather your tools, which typically include a flathead screwdriver, an 8mm socket, and a ratchet. Crucially, make sure you have the exact replacement mirror for your Ford Transit model to ensure a perfect fit and proper functionality. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Begin by carefully prying off the small plastic covers on the inside of the door panel. These conceal the mirror's mounting hardware. You will typically find 3 bolts, often 8mm in size, holding the mirror in place. Unscrew these fasteners. If your mirror has electric adjustments or a turn signal, gently disconnect the electrical wiring harness before fully detaching the old unit. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. First, reconnect any electrical wiring to the new mirror assembly, ensuring a secure connection. Carefully align the new mirror with the 3 mounting holes on the door frame. Insert the 3 8mm bolts and tighten them firmly with your ratchet, but avoid over-tightening to prevent damage to the housing or door panel. To complete the installation, reattach all interior plastic covers and trim panels that you removed earlier. Once everything is back in place, turn on your Ford Transit's ignition. Test all functions of the new mirror, including power adjustments, heating, and any integrated turn signals. Confirm that the mirror is securely mounted, does not wobble, and offers clear, unobstructed rearward visibility for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.